The Forest River Vibe 25KR. Ready for your next adventure? Comfort and style meet in this beautifully designed travel trailer. Relax on the sleeper sofa after a long day, or gather around the spacious U-shaped dinette with your crew to share meals and memories. In the rear, you'll find a well-equipped kitchen with plenty of counter space for all your culinary needs. An oversized refrigerator and modern appliances make meal prep a breeze. The pantry is ready to store all your non-perishables. Stay connected wherever you are with cable and satellite prep, plus a digital TV antenna with a booster, keeping the outside world at your fingertips. Refresh in the private bath, complete with a skylight in the shower, letting in natural light for a spa-like feel. And when the day is done, the front bedroom awaits with a cozy queen bed, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. The Forest River Vibe 25KR is ready for your next journey, now at Sutton RV.
Sutton RV, the road awaits. Join the family, it's never too late. From coast to coast, let's hit the ground with Sutton RV. Your adventures know no bounds.
Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.